ordered the Marinjai in 2015, we supplied truck trailer with 2 100 amp hour AGM batteries. These have served us well over the last 6 years. We have spent plenty of time off grid from doing the Canning Stock route to the Kimberleys, and also our weekenders where we've been staying on farm stays, not hooking up to any power.
So we're like a lot of people, and it's now, those AGMs have done 6 years, and now's an opportunity to look at new technology. So that's what we're doing.
With another big trip coming up, we looked at replacing these AGM batteries. We did some research and started talking to the guys at Battery World, and we have decided that we're going to go with an EnerDrive system. Now we are excited to have the opportunity to work with Battery World and the EnerDrive's people to install our new lithium batteries.
I'm excited. This is me excited.
This is you excited. On those windy days when you can't cook, it's a pain, everything is going so slow because the wind keeps blowing the gas, it takes forever to cook. Well, I'm going to be able to use an induction cooktop with this new EnerDrive system, and that is going to take all that pain away. I'm so looking forward to that. Especially since we're going to be away for 8 weeks, and we all know that it can be a bit windy at times, especially when you're trying to cook, be it breakfast, lunch or dinner. There are additional benefits in using lithium batteries. That's the weight saving factor.
We're probably somewhere around about, I reckon, 15-20 kilos in total.
Well, that's going to make a difference.
Yeah, that's another slab of beer.
Oh, okay. And then also the rechargeability benefits that this is going to give us.
Yeah, we don't have to worry about those days where we just do short hops between our stops. Hopefully, all the data says that the battery will recharge quite considerably quicker than what the AGMs used to. So again, that's another benefit.